Hej Indra. Hvad laver du? Hvad? Hvad laver du? Lille fis. Hej du, Gætter. Hvor er du fin. Ja. Så fin er du. Gætter, hvor er du sød. Hej Indra. Nå, hej mus. Fin. Hej Gætter.
After an hour of the two of them standing looking like lemons, our pretend millionaire has 4 women saying they fancy him, and the pretend chauffeur has a whopping 6.
Hej mus.
Oh, that surprised you. That surprised us anyway. So, what
Hej Gætter.
difference would it make if we swap them round? You're the man who was so successful when